Becoming a doctor has been my dream since I was 9 years old. My mom is a microbiologist, and she instilled a love of biology, chemistry, and somehow genetics in me from a young age. She will teach me things and let me look through a bacteria through a microscope. Studying biomedicine here at UNF is a great path to make my aspirations come true. It's been fun to look at the formation of life in my courses and learn how cells have evolved over time. I've also enjoyed studying the human body and how our professors approach it with careful observation and specific analysis. During class, we can discuss any questions or concerns we have about a topic. That has helped me build my critical thinking and improve my communication skills. In 5 years, I plan to continue my studies at one of UNF's partner medical schools, apply everything I learned here, and get closer to my ultimate goal of becoming a doctor. To any potential students considering the HBSc program at UNF, it's definitely worth and the best choice I've honestly made. It may be challenging, yes, but you'll have a fantastic experience building the future you desire. I hope to see you soon. My name is Mario, and I'm on my journey to a brighter tomorrow. I'm a proud UNF student, and innovation flows here.